Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Coding Help. In this video, we are going to solve the problem of weekly contest 493, and this is the third problem. Okay, let's try to understand the problem, what this problem want to say. They are saying longest arithmetic sequence after changing at most one element. Okay, longest arithmetic sequence. Everybody know arithmetic sequence means numbers with consecutive difference always should be same. Okay, let's take example 13579 like that. Okay, but in this case, if there is no arithmetic sequence, somewhere it's we can say breaking that condition, we can change at most one element. Okay, let's try to understand this example. So there is 975. This is in AP. Now this one is breaking, and this one is 1. What we can do? They are saying change at most 1. Okay, we will try to change this 10 to 3. So now after 5 3 came, difference is minus 2, and after 3 1 came, so difference is minus 2. So this all becomes the AP, or we need to return the length as a 5. Okay, so let's try to understand with some examples. So okay, let's take one example. Here one example is 1 3 5 7 9. If all element is in AP, so what we will return? We will return length of this array, right? And what we will return in this case? 1 3 5 7 and 9, and there is some element, you can say 15. This is in AP. Okay, but here common difference is 6, and previously all 2. So we will take length this one as a 5, and we will try to make one element if right side or left side. If right side any element is there, just we will add 1. If left side any extra element is there, if we will add 1. But we will add from any one side, not from both the side. Okay, so we can make it as a 6. For example, here some element is 70. Okay, we'll try to make one extra element, so length will be 6, because if you will, they are allowing only one element change, that's why. So length will be 6. Now let's see the third case. So example 1 3 5 is there. 5, after that we can take 10, and some 15 we can take, right? What is the, this is 2, this is 2, this is 5, and this is 5. Okay, so we can say that this is in AP, and AP length is 3 or 3. Okay, so in this case we can take only one extra element here, otherwise you can make 7, or we can't make both side array using one middle element, right? Okay, let's see that example. So in this case also we need to return 3 only. But if we have 1 3 5, and here comes some 10 and 9 11 13 is there. In this case, this is in AP, this is also in AP. Good. Difference is 2, difference is 2, difference is 2, difference is 2. Here difference is 4, here difference is 5, here difference is 1. So this is not the AP. Okay, this is not the AP. Or everybody have to know each two element is in AP only. 110 is there, 115 is there. This is AP, because difference is only one element, right? 9 is there and 14 is there. Okay, this is the one case. So length is 3, or here length is also 3, or difference is 2 from left side also or right side also. Now here difference is 5 and 1. So this is not in AP. Here it's breaking the AP. what we can do, we will check these two difference. If these two difference is the 2 into left difference or right difference, whatever it is, so we will make this one as a 7, right? We'll make this as a 7 and our length will be 33617, right? So we know that if two element difference is 2 2, so one or this one jump element should difference should be 4 only. That's why we'll check this difference, and also we'll check this difference or this difference. Okay, then we can make two AP using one middle element as a single AP, right? How we can approach this one? We can approach 1 3. Let's take example 1 3 5 7. Take 1 15 9 11 13 and 13 15 17. We will do prefix and suffix. Prefix means from a starting point we will compute the length of maximum AP. Here 1 2 3 and 4 is there. Now here AP is not there, so length will be, what will the length? Always two element AP is length 2. Okay, and here difference is, this one is 8. Here difference is 1 2 will be there. Then here this difference, this difference is 2 and this difference is 11 15. This is minus 4, right? Okay, so okay, this difference 2, again we'll put 2. Now here what is the difference? 2. So and previous difference is also 2, we will put as a 3, and here also 2 is there, 1 3 and 4. Okay, got it. This is the prefix. Now we'll compute the suffix. How will compute suffix? We'll compute suffix 1. Okay, 1. Then take differences. What is the difference? 2. That's why. And 2 element is always in AP. Now third element came. So previous difference is 2 and here difference is 2. So we'll put 3. Here we will put 4. Here we will put 2 because these two difference is different from this one. Again here 2. Now again here 2. These two difference is same. Here we will put 3. Here we will put 4. Got it? Let's take index 0 1. Now after computing the prefix and suffix, how we will run the for loop? We will run for loop from 0 to our last index 8. We will check, for example, we are at the index 2, so we will check the before 2 and after 2. Before 2 our prefix will give the maximum prefix length, right? And after 2 this will suffix will give you the maximum uh, suffix AP length. Okay, previously is giving 2 and after is giving 2. We have 3. We have 3 in mid. So we will check difference between these two elements. Okay. So what is our element here? Our element is 3 5. Our element is 3 and 5 and 3 5 7. 1 3 5 7 and 9. I think 9 was not there. 15 was there. Okay. 15 is there. And we are at the index this one 5. So we will check difference. If difference is 4, we will check its previous difference is 2 and we'll check its after difference. What is after difference? After difference is not 4, that is 8. So we can't make it as a single AP, right? So we won't do any operation, right? We want to, and we will go to the next index. Same for index, this one 3, and same for index 4. So for index 4, what we'll do? We have 15 here, 7 is here, 9 is here, uh, 5 is here, 11 is here. Okay, 1, 3, 11, and 13 and 15 in there. So here is this will check the length of this AP. What is the length of this AP? Is 4. And this suffix will give length of this AP. This suffix will also give you 4. Right? We can check from the array. At the index 4. Right? At the index 4, go for the suffix. This is giving 4 and prefix this is giving 4. Right? And we will check the difference between these two elements. Difference is 4. Sorry, 7 to 9. I think this one should be 11, 13, 15, 17. Okay, difference is 4. Okay, we will check difference of these two and we will check the difference of these two. This should be half of this one. Okay, if this condition will be satisfied, we will take this length and this length. This length from prefix and this length from suffix, and we will add 1. So like this, and we will return as a maximum length. Okay, we'll do maximum of previous answer and prefix of I minus 1 plus 1 and suffix of I plus 1 likewise. So let's understand the code. So we have taken left and right. We are computing the left of 0 is 1 and left of 1 is 2. Now, if new element is coming, so we are checking our previous element difference. Current element previous and previous element means previous. Okay, let's see. 1, 3 is there. If 5 will come, there is 1 and 2. If this element will come, so we will check difference. This will give you 2. And again we will check this difference. Again this will give you 2. So we will add one value into this one for 1, 2, and this will give you 3. Right? That is what we have done here. Otherwise, we will take left of I is 2. Right? We know that if we don't have any element, so every two element is in AP. Again, from right hand side, we are doing same thing. Okay, I plus 1 minus I plus 2, or minus I plus 1. Likewise, now we are taking answer as it 2. Okay, now we are iterating from 0. Left of I, we are updating the whatever current answer is there. If we are checking I greater than 0, okay, and left of, then we are adding left of I minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so it means that whatever ith index value is there or whatever we have computed, we are adding one more element. Maybe you have understand from the previous example, I have explained you clearly there. And again here from right hand side, we are doing same thing. Okay, whatever our AP length is there, na, if we have extra element in right or extra element in left, any one of the place, just we are changing that element including in our length. Got it? Now here it's saying I greater than 0 or I less than I n minus 1. So we are checking total difference. See, I plus 1 minus I minus 1. Here I have shown you. Okay, difference from this one, this one. Okay, now they are saying difference is divisible by 2. If divisible by 2, then we can make it equal. Otherwise, we can't make it equal. Now, what we are doing, we are finding the left length. Left length, this length, or right length. What will the left length? Left length will be whatever length at this place, left of I minus 1. Okay. And what will the condition? Condition, it means I minus 1. This is I minus 1 and I minus 2. Difference is the same as whatever difference we are getting here. Okay. Now here what we are doing, okay, also there is one condition, I minus 1 is equal to 0. Only one element should be there in left side. If we have only one element in left side, this is also one condition. And a right length is equal to 1. We are also checking if right side only one element is there. Okay, so in that case, and otherwise if we have more than one element, we are checking this difference, and right element is length, right element length is this one. Okay, from the right side. And what will be the current answer size? Left length plus right length plus 1. Okay, because we are combining these two, left or right. Okay, finally we are returning the answer. Okay, now we can run the code. Okay, simple test case, it is getting passed. Now run. Okay, this one is accepting. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.